truck you ain't seen before. You know why? We built it 8 years ago. I built it for a gentleman named Scott. I'm not gonna tell you his last name. Anyways, it is now going up for sale. He wants $62,000 for the truck. I do have it here, and it is available, and it is built by me. Is it a Ford or is it a Chevy? You guys know already by the style? Because the Ford and Chevy were very similar in that year. I know it's got a Vortec motor, GM, got the Ford logo on the rims, because I'm too lazy to bend down and show it. Ford logo. Beautiful, isn't it? Gotta clean it up a little bit yet, see if I'm dirty. Hey Sarah! Get over here! Do you have anything that can clean the oak bed?
Water?
Water?
You want water?
We can use water? What about
Like a,
do you have any,
like a special
like flooring product? You got any like mineral wax or anything like you use at the house?
Yeah.
Do you have any here?
No.
Well, we'll get it clean. Anyways, it's pretty, isn't it?
I like the dark.
There's a nice finished oak bed in this truck. And it will be clean. Wait, Sarah, before you get it, if you want to fly out to Chicago or Milwaukee, get an Uber up here, send us some money, drive this thing home. It's real simple. 1, 2, 3. Usually on an 053 Ford truck like this, the hood, much like this beautiful Camaro, would come from this side. However, we reversed the hood hinges on it as an anti-theft device. What do you think? You can't open the hood, how you can steal it? Actually, reach up into here, and it's buried, and I always have a hard time finding it. Here we go. We play this game again. See, it even stops me from being able to steal my own truck. There it is. Look at it. Everybody thinks you can lift it, but the whole thing lifts up. Isn't that cool? Right? And then it flips this way like a Corvette. Because this thing has a Corvette style motor. Kind of, sort of. You know, pretty. Vortec 5.3 liter iron block. The Vortec motor has a longer intake manifold than the short ones like we put in the Chevelles. The longer the intake manifold, the more torque it typically produces. So you'll see in all the trucks, they have the same basic block, but most all of them, because I don't like saying all, right? We use a Vortec intake, which is a longer intake manifold, which produces higher torque. Tidbit for the day. Let's fire it up, right? All right, fire in the hull. Headlights, check. Ignition, check. Fire in the hull. Power windows is kind of a nice feature to have, don't you think? Woohoo! Pretty cool, isn't it? You hear how smooth she sounds? Man, can you imagine? Watch. You go into the grocery store, you come out, you got all your stuff, you loaded your car, because you're gonna go to the family picnic in the coolest truck, and then those old trucks, lots of times you go to start them up. Oh, it's heat sinked, it's not running right. Now this one, heck, oh, I even left my lights on. Let me see, let's see. Oh, I'll be fine, right? Cool, fresh interior. We custom designed the seat. Even the V8 emblem in the rear of the seats is just gorgeous. Like and subscribe once in a while. We will show you some of the cool cars. If they're not cool, we're not going to sell them. If you're serious about a really nice car, seriously, 262 Hot Rods, give me a call. It's gorgeous. It's a really nice piece. Gunmetal gray. It's got Posy rear end in it. Overall, very, very, very nicely built truck. Very reliable. Very enjoyable. All right, thanks, man. Hope you like to see our cool car. I'll show you another one of these days. It's actually like we're working a real shop.